Absolutely the easiest way to make barbecue ribs for a party or get together. These party style ribs are done in about 2 or 3 hours and always a hit. Take your baby back ribs, meat side down, cut between each bone. Lay each rib out on a sheet and season them well on all sides with an all-purpose barbecue rub. Fire up your smoker to 275 or 300 and cook the ribs until they reach 175. They shouldn't take very long, maybe an hour and a half. Make sure you flip the ribs once or twice during the cook so they cook evenly on both sides. That little bit of char is the best part. Then you're going to place your ribs into a foil pan and add pats of butter, brown sugar, and enough barbecue sauce to cover everything. And put some foil on top of that and place it back into your smoker until the ribs reach 200 degrees. Give everything a good toss after you remove from the smoker and serve them up nice and hot. These are smoky, saucy, and super tender. Let me know what you think. These are so good.